Okay, let me show you what I'm dealing with. I've got the script right here. I just created it. I'll go ahead and save that. I'll go to my files. I guess I'll double click on it and choose play. Now, when I click play, two things happen. This window shows up, and then on another screen, this window shows up. But I'm not using a teleprompter. I'm just using a second display. So this isn't working for me. I need a way to to be able to shape that window to the size that I want it to be, and to also invert it so that I can actually read it. Right now, there's nothing at all that I can do with this. Maybe that's giving me something upside down here that I can use. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know what that does. Anyway, so I've got the this other window, which I'm going to get this out of the way for a second since that's no value at all. And I'm guessing this is for the computer monitor. I've been using email since the internet first began. There was no such thing as spam and so on and so on. Okay, so that's working, but it's so narrow I can't control font size. I can't control the width of this window. I can't seem to control anything. Even if I hit stop, there's no ability to control the size of, that does that. But I've got no ability to control the width of this. So how do I control that? And how do I stop this other window that I don't need from showing up, if that's even possible? Is this geared for PC users in this way, or is this geared for a mechanical teleprompter and maybe I've got it wrong from the beginning? Thanks a lot. Look forward to your feedback.